Now we can see the first sum in exercise 5.4. Find the equations of the two tangents that can be drawn from 5, 2 to the ellipse 2x square plus 7y square equal to 14. For finding the equation of tangent, we have two formulas. That is, if the question is like this, you take a curve, okay, and if I want to find the equation of tangent to this curve at a point x1 comma y1. So I am taking a point x1 comma y1 on the curve. Okay, I am taking the point on the curve, and at that point I will draw a tangent. So for finding the equation of tangent at a point x1 comma y1, how you want to do? You have to replace x square as x1, y square as y1, and x as 1 by 2 into x plus x1, like that we have the procedure, isn't it? Like that you have to do. But here you see we have to find the equation of the two tangents that can be drawn from 5, 2 to the ellipse. So usually two tangents when we can draw is if you take a point outside the curve. Suppose if I have a curve like this, and if I am taking the point here x1 comma y1, and from this I can draw two tangents. From inside also we can draw two tangents, but it will be imaginary. But if it should be real means the point will be outside the curve only. Okay, so the question is like this: find the equation of two tangents that can be drawn from a point to this any one curve it may be. Okay, then we have to do in another one method that only I am going to explain now. First you can take the equation of the ellipse. So consider 2x square plus 7y square is equal to 40. First you have to bring it to the standard form. Standard form means x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, or x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Okay, so divide by the right hand side value 14. When we divide by 14 you will get x square by 7 plus y square by 2 equal to 1. So now it is in the standard form. This is of the form. This is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So our a square value is 7, b square is 2. A square is equal to 7, b square is equal to 2. Now we can write the formula. General equation of tangent. General equation of tangent to the ellipse is y equal to mx plus r minus root of a square m square plus b square. Okay, so we know the value of a square and b square, so that we can replace it here. Y equal to mx plus r minus root of a square is 7, so 7 m square plus b square is 2. And it is given the point lies on the ellipse. You see here, if I take a point like this, and from this if I draw the tangent, means in both the tangents the point lies, isn't it? So this is the equation of tangent. In this equation the point will lie. The point 5, 2 lies on the tangent. So this you can mark it as equation 1. Equation 1 implies y value is 2 equal to m into x value is 5. So 5m plus r minus root of 7m square plus 2. So whenever square root is there, you have to remove square root, isn't it? So in this term 5m, we don't have square root. Take this to the left hand side first. 2 minus 5m is equal to plus r minus root of 7m square plus 2. Now you can square it on both the sides. When we square it, you will get 2 minus 5m the whole square equal to, here when we square plus or minus it will become plus, and here you can remove the square root. 7m square plus 2. Left hand side we have the form a minus b the whole square. So 4 minus 20m plus 25m square equal to 7m square plus 2. Now you can take all the terms to one side. 25m square minus 7m square is 16m square. Then minus 20m we have. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now you can divide throughout by 2. Dividing by 2. 8m square minus 10m plus 1 is equal to 0. So here 25 minus 7 is 18. Okay, this is 18. So here it is 9. Now you can factorize it. 9 into 1 it is 9. You can write this as minus 9 and minus 1. So when you add, you will get minus 10. When you multiply, you will get 9. So now divide by the coefficient of m square, 9. Here you can cancel. It is minus 1. So along with the denominator value, we have to take this m. m minus 1 into 9m minus 1. Now you can equate each term to 0. M equal to 1 or m equal to 1 by 9. Okay. So we have two m values. Now you can find the corresponding equation of tangent. So first case 1, when m is equal to 1, x1 comma y1. Okay, that is tangent means what? It is a line only, isn't it? In both the tangent we have the point x1 y1, and slope we have different slopes that you can take separately. So when m equal to 1 and x1 comma y1 is equal to what is the point 5 comma 2, the equation of the tangent is of the form if you know the slope and one point, then the equation of the line is of which form? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, isn't it? So replace the values here. Y minus y1 is 2 equal to m is 1 into x minus x1 is 5, which implies y minus 2 equal to x minus 5. Take all the terms to one side. X minus 1, y, x minus y, minus 5 plus 2 means minus 3 equal to 0. So this is the equation of one tangent. Now you can take the next case, that is case 2. Here our slope is equal to what? That is the m value. M is equal to 1 by 9. And x1 comma y1 is the same point. It is 5 comma 2. The equation of the tangent is same formula, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 2 equal to m is 1 by 9, x minus x1 is 5. You can cross multiply it. So 9y minus 18 equal to x minus 5. I am taking these two terms to the next side. X minus 9y. Then 18 minus 5, it is 13 equal to 0. So we got two tangents from a point 5 comma 2 to the ellipse.